What's up guys, Justin here with TheSketchUpEssentials.com. So quick video today. I just wanted to let you know that if you use the free online version of SketchUp, I'm breaking off and creating a brand new channel just for the free version. And so there's multiple different reasons for this. One is I do feel like there's a lack of resources out there for people that do want to use the free version. And I do want to make sure that I'm including tutorials for that because I am a fan of SketchUp in general. And a lot of people do use that free version as kind of a stepping stone to the pro version. So in addition to that, just the way that the free version works and what you can do with it is a little bit different. So just saying, hey, it's similar to the pro version isn't really something that I think is helpful to a lot of people. So if you are someone that uses primarily the online free version, I'm going to be adding different tool tutorials. I'm going to be adding getting started tutorials, all sorts of different things over at the SketchUp free essentials on YouTube. So I will link to it in the notes down below. I'm going to be adding a bunch of different tutorials over the coming weeks, but I just wanted to make sure that you were aware that that is something that is coming up. And so my goal has always been to put out the best resources for using SketchUp online, and this is just me expanding my offerings. So I am also going to be trying to add some additional tutorials for the iPad version. I'll link to my SketchUp for iPad channel as well. So if there's anything you'd like to see on that channel, feel free to leave a comment down below. Make sure you go over and subscribe to that channel for more SketchUp free tutorials. As always, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks, guys.